Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we unbox this new Redmi A4 5G smartphone. So let's unbox this. This is an open box delivery, as you can see. So here you can see the MI branding over the top right corner, made in India, A4 5G, and at this side you will see Redmi by Xiaomi, and at this side you can see India's most loved smartphone, and at the back you will see some specification over there. So without time waste, let's open it, and you will see here it is the handset. Let's keep it aside and check what is in the box. And here it is a Redmi plate over this. So here it is the adapter. Friends, as you can see, it is a 33 volt of fast charging adapter designed by Xiaomi, and its quality is pretty good. And you can see here it is type USB type C to USB charging cable also there in it is in the box, and some manual and guide. Friends, here it is the SIM tool. You can just open be like this, and from here you will see a quick start guide. So friends, let's open and unwrap our smartphone. And as you can see, it is black in color. It is like a glossy and glass finish over the back, and I have opened it. Friends, as you can see, its display size is 6.88 HD plus display, and you will see its ports also. Here it is a volume rocker button up and down, one power off button on and off. At the bottom you will see speaker, type C charging port, one microphone. At this side you will see a SIM card tray. At the top you will see a 3.5 mm audio jack. And let's talk about its camera. Its camera is 50 megapixel AI camera with dual cameras, and of course it is a 5G smartphone. Here you can see the branding of the Redmi also. Friends, its first front camera is 5 megapixel, and you can see here it is the three cameras. It is a very sleek and handy smartphone, and let's open it. You can see how smooth it is. You can check in the settings, it's the refresh rate. Just type here refresh rate. Here it is, and click on custom. From here you can choose 60 hertz and 120 hertz, and you can play any game you want in 120 hertz. It will using higher refresh rate makes viewing experience smoother but consumes more power. It has two variants, 4 GB 64 GB and 4 GB 128 GB. This is a 4 GB 128 GB model, and you can see its color also. It is a black color. There is another color purple. So let's check the video quality first. Just write here video, and as you can see, you can zoom up to 8x zoom like this, and when you just zoom it, it will not blur the image. And you can check the settings from here. Quality, you can watch video in 1080 pixel at 60 fps. And let's now check the speaker test. Just write here this. Friends, you can see its speaker quality is very good, and you can play songs non-stop. It has 5160 mAh of battery life and 18 volt of fast charging given in the box. Let's see its other. Let's open the camera, and I have taken some pictures. I will show you. Friends, first let's check the video quality, how it can record the video. It has 1080 pixel at 30 fps. You can record the video, and here it is the front camera selfie. The colors quite uh, good. It is a selfie, and this is the 50 megapixel camera photo. When you just zoom it, it will not blur the image and it will be in full screen mode. And this is a low lighting picture. As you can see, the shadows is also coming, and it is quite good. And let's talk about the features also. Here it has night mode, portrait, time lapse, slow motion, and 50 megapixel camera features also. Let's talk about its processor. So you have to come to the settings, and here it is about phone. Click on it. Here it is, OS version is 1.0.2, Android version is 14. And so let's see its detailed info and specs. Click on it. RAM is 4 GB, and the processor is Snapdragon 4S Gen 2 mobile platform, octa-core, max 2.0 GHz. And you can see its model, and as you can see it has a security option, and here it has screen lock, fingerprint unlock, and face lock. It has also a new feature, unlock with Bluetooth device. You have to tap on it. If you have connected a smartwatch and you just raised the smartwatch, then it will open your smartphone. You can see, click on fingerprint and just draw your pattern like this. Add your fingerprint from just tapping on the power button, just like that. And you can see it's done. Now just turn off the smartphone and turn on it. It will open the device. And you can also set your face lock. Just you have to recognize your face. Just add face like this. Click on next. And you can see it recognized my face and it is added successfully. Now just turn off the smartphone, turn on it, and it will open the smartphone like this. If you want to buy, I have given the link in the description. You can check it out there. I hope you like this unboxing video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.